Alright, good morning. As you can see, the light here is pretty terrible this morning because I'm behind my car again. We got 16 inches in 24 hours officially last week. So I can't get my car out to park it on the street because there's nowhere to put it. But I just had this little engine running. I totally cheated and started it off camera, but as the other video shows, this fan is not spinning very well, so I'm gonna pull it off and clean the shaft it's on and try to re-lubricate it, and also clean the pulley in case there was any oil that got on the pulley. So feels really stiff there, but the pulley has a key on it, fits into the cast fans here, so I can't reverse the fans because there's a notch there. But just pulling this apart, I'm gonna use a bit of white gas to rinse through there. And to rinse off this pulley. And that little screw. Go. I'm going to put a dab of oil on the shaft here. That way when we put the fan in, it'll be in the middle there, instead of trying to get it on with the pulley in place and maybe getting lubrication all over the pulley groove. And then there we go. That's spinning now. Put that back on. And then I'm going to fill this back up and let it run again. And I'm hoping that because we're going to dab a little oil in the pistons. After that ET8 issue, I am real paranoid about under lubricating the pistons. On these. There we go. Alright, now we'll fill it up with fuel again. And one of these days I will use the syringe to fill it so that I can get a kind of measurement on the fuel tank. There we go. And it did run for about 10 minutes last time, and it's warm, so we'll see if I can I do not have a good arrangement to do that. Alright. There we go.